Geography grade 9 unit 1 the Southeastern Highlands and the associated lowlands. In this video we are going to discuss more questions about the landform of Ethiopia. Students, pay your attention in order to grasp knowledge about the landforms of Ethiopia associated with Southeastern Highlands and the lowlands. ከዚህ ቪዲዮ ጋር ብትቆዩ ውጤታማ እንደምትሆኑ ባለሙሉ ተስፋ ነኝ። ለዚህ ይህን ቪዲዮ ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ከኔ ጋር እንድቆዩ በአክብሮት ጋብዛለሁኝ። ቪዲዮ ከነወሊን ይወቱርተን ቡአ ቀቤስ አከታተን አብዲ ጉዳን ቀብ ከናፉ ሼር፣ ላይክ ፊ ሰብስክራይብ ጎቹን ነወሊን ቱራን አፍራ ኮከበጃቲ። Question number 1. Which region of Ethiopia is the wettest with an average annual rainfall of above 1,500 millimeters? A. The Western Lowlands. B. The Southeastern Highlands. C. The Southwestern Highlands. D. The Rift Valley. Good. Southwestern Highlands receive more than 1,500 millimeters of rainfall, making them the wettest part of Ethiopia. These regions are including like that of Bonga, Mizantepi, Ilobabor, Jimma, Wallagga, and some highland parts of Sidama. The correct answer for this question is C. Western lowlands are mostly arid or semi-arid, except Baro Akobo region. Southeastern Highlands are wetter than lowlands, but they are known with less rainfall than Southwestern Highlands. Rift Valley is drier, especially Upper Triangle is. Question number 2. Which highland area is known for coffee production, insect and spices? Kanin armangaditi era mankesa oomisha buna, insectii fi qimamiidhaan kan beekamu kan. ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት በቡና ምርት በኢንሴትና በቅመማ ቅመም የሚታወቀው አካባቢ የቱ ነው? A. ሐረርጌ ፕላቶ፣ B. አርሲ ፕላቶ፣ C. Southwestern Highland, D. Rift Valley floor. Coffee is originated in Kaffa, which is part of Southwestern Highlands. Insect, spices, and the coffee production are well known in Southwestern Highland parts of Ethiopia. C is the correct answer. Hararge is known well with chat, sorghum, and the millet production, while RC is mainly the wheat producer. Rift Valley is known with pastoralism and small-scale farming dominates, not major coffee. Question number 3. Which river drains the Southwestern Highlands southward into Lake Turkana? A. Gannale, B. Omogibe, C. Abbai, D. Itesa. Good. Omogibe drains southwards into Lake Turkana. B is the correct answer. Gannale drains Southeastern Highland, while Abbai flows northwards to Sudan, and Edessa is a tributary of Abbai, which drains to northwards. Question number 4. Mountain Guge is the highest peak of the Southwestern Highland with 4,200 meters above mean sea level. Is located in which plateau? A. Bale Plateau, B. Arsi Plateau, C. Gamo Plateau, D. Sidama Highlands. Excellent. Mountain Guge is found in Gamo Plateau. C is the correct answer. Tuludimtu is the highest mountain in Bale with 4,377 meters, whereas Mountain Kaka is the highest mountain in RC with 4,180 meters, and Sidama is the lower elevation which is separated by Gannale Valley. Question number 5. Which lowland region is the wettest compared to other Ethiopian lowlands? A. Omogibe Lowland, B. Tekaze Angrab Lowland, C. Baro Akobo Lowland, D. Ogaden Lowland. Baro Akobo Lowland is the wettest compared to other Ethiopian lowlands. So C is the correct answer. Omogibe is rare. tThe Angreb is also arid. And Ogaden is very dry with less than 500 millimeter rainfall. Question number 6. The Hararge Plateau is drained mainly by tributaries of which river? A. Wabe Shabale. B. Omogibe. C. Gannale. D. Abai. Wabe Shabale drained Hararge Plateaus. A is the correct answer. While Omogibe drains Southwestern Highlands, Gannale drains Bale and Sidama Highlands, and Abai drains Northern Highlands. Question number 7. Which of the following is known for large-scale wheat farming? A. Hararge Plateau. B. RC Plateau. C. Sidama Highland. D. Western Lowland. Okay. Oomisha qamadiitiin naannoon baddaa beekamu Arsiidha. B is the correct answer. Hararge is mainly known with coffee, chat, and sorghum products, whereas Sidama is more known with coffee and maize, and the Western Lowlands are commonly pastoralism and shifting cultivation. Question number 8. The Bale massive highest mountain is A. Mountain Tuludimtu. B. Mountain Guge. C. Mountain Kaka. D. Mountain Chilalo. Tuludimtu with 4,377 meter height is known with the Bale's Massif's highest mountain. So A is the correct answer. Here, Mountain Tuludimtu is Bale Massif's tallest. Guge is for Gamo Plateau, whereas Kaka is for RC Plateau, and Chilalo is also RC Plateau. Question number 9. Which of the following physiographic division is characterized by extensive salt plains and fossil-rich sediments? A. Chobahir Rift. B. Afar Triangle. C. Bale Massif. D. Baro Akobo Lowlands. Afar Triangle is the physiographic division which is more characterized by extensive salt plains and fossil-rich sediments, is also known as the site of archaeological study. So, B is the correct answer. Chobahir is marshy lowland, while Bale Massif is highlands with mountains. Baro Akobo is the wettest lowland, not salt-rich. Question number 10. The Chobahir Rift is also known as Omogibe Trough. B is the correct answer. Abai Gorge is carved by Abai River, and Marab Basin is northern Ethiopian drainage system, and also Awash Rift is part of Central Rift, not Chobahir. Question number 11. Which tributaries drain the southwestern highlands northward into the Abai River? Sila southwardidhaan jedhamnaan Omogibe jennee deebisne. ቅድም southward ብሎ ሲጠይቀን ኦሞጊቤ ብለን መልሰናል። አሁንስ መልስ የሚሆነው የቱ ነው? A. ዳቡስ እንደ ዲዴሳ. B. ገናሌ እንደ ዋቤ ሸበሌ. C. ኦሞ እንደ ጎጀብ. D. ተከዜ እንደ አንግረብ. Okay, Dabus and Didesa are the tributaries that drain the southwestern highlands northward into River Abai. So, A is the correct answer for question number 11. Gannale and Wabe Shabale are drain southeastern highlands, while Omo and Gojab drain south and eastward, not north. Dabusifi Desan Southwestern Highland yookiin kibba lixa Itoophiyaa obaasuudhaan kallattii kaabaatti yaa'anii laga Abbaayitti dabalamu. Daabbusina dhidheessaa ደቡብ ምዕራብ ኢትዮጵያ ደጋማ አካባቢዎችን እያጠጡ ወደ ሰሜን በመዞር ወደ አባይ ወንዝ በመፍሰስ ከአባይ ጋር ይቀላቀላሉ። Question number 12. Which of the following town is found in the western lowlands and act as a border trade center? A. Jimma, B. Humera, C. Gondar. Humera, Kumruk, and Metamma are the western lowland towns that used as a trade center for Ethiopia and for the communities who are residing themselves on the border of Ethiopia and Sudan. B is the correct answer. Jimma is located in southwestern highlands. Harar is also located in southeastern highlands. And Gondar is north central highlands. Question number 13. The Omogibe River eventually flows into which lake? Harwan armangalitti eraman keessa Omogiben gara sakamitti yaa? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ሐይቆች ኦሞጊቤ የሚፈስበት የትኛው ነው? ኤ ሌክ ታና፣ ቢ ሌክ ቱርካና፣ ሲ ሌክ ዝዋይ፣ ዲ ሌክ ጨው ባህር። Omogibe River ends with Lake Turkana, which means it flows to Lake Turkana in Kenya. So B is the correct answer. Lake Tana is a source of Abai, while Lake Zoai is Rift Valley Lake, which is fed by Maki and Qatar. Lake Chobahar is fed by Sagan and Waito streams. Question number 14. The Arsi Plateau is separated from the Bale Massif by A. Rift Valley, B. Omogibe River, C. Wabi Shebele head streams, D. Gannale Valley. Arsi Plateau and the Bale Massifs are separated by the head stream of Wabi Shebele. So C is the correct answer. Rift Valley separates northwestern highlands from southeastern highlands, and Omogibe drains southwestern highlands. Gannale Valley separates Bale from Sidama. Which of the following is not part of the southwestern highland? A. Wallagga, B. Jimma, C. Ilobabor, D. Hararge. Okay, Hararge is not part of southwestern highland. It belongs to southeastern highlands. Question number 16. The Baro Akobo lowlands are best known for A. Salt plains and fossils, B. Marshy vegetation and regular water flow, C. Coffee cultivation, D. Wheat farming. Okay, Baro Akobo lowlands are best known for marshy vegetation and regular water flow. B is the correct answer. Question number 17. Which mountain is the highest in Bale Massif? A. Mountain Kaka, B. Mountain Guge, C. Mountain Tuludimtu, D. Mountain Chilalo. Tuludimtu mountain is the highest mountain in Bale Massif. So, C is the correct answer. Kaka is found in Arsi Plateau, while Guge is in Gamo Plateau, and Chilalo is Arsi Plateau. Question number 18. Which plateau is famous for chat production? Oomisha chaatiidhaaf baay'ee beekamaa kan ta'e kami? በጫት ምርት የሚታወቀው አካባቢ የቱ ነው? A. ሲዳማ፣ B. ሐረርጌ፣ C. አርሲ፣ D. ባሌ። Hararge Plateau is most famous for chat production. So B is the correct answer. Question number 19. Which lowland is associated with the practice of pastoralism due to extreme dryness? A. Ogaden Plains, B. Baro Akobo lowlands, C. Takaze lowlands, D. Omogibe lowlands. Ogaden plains are associated with the practice of pastoralism. Why? Due to the extreme dryness. So A is the correct answer. Question number 20. The Rift Valley divides Ethiopia into Western Highland and Western Lowland. B. Northern Highland and Ogaden Lowland. C. Northwestern and Southeastern Highland. D. Gojam and Wollo Massif. Rift Valley divides Ethiopian highlands into two, to the Northwestern Highland and the Southeastern Highland. C is the correct answer. Question number 21. Afar Triangle is geologically unique because it contains A. Fossil-rich sediments and salt plains. B. Wheat production soils. C. Dense forest cover. D. Extensive grazing land. Afar Triangle is geologically unique because it is well known with fossil-rich sediments and salt plains. A is the correct answer. So Afar is known for fossil, archaeology, and salt plains. Question number 22. Which river drains the Sidama Highland? A. Omogibe. B. Wabishebele. C. Gannale. D. Awash. Sidama is drained by Gannale River. So C is the correct answer. Question number 23. The Rift Valley lakes, Zuwai, Langano, Abaya, and Chamo are located in which part of the rift? A. Afar Triangle. B. Central Rift, Main Ethiopian Rift. C. Chobahar Rift. D. Omogibe Lowland. Okay. Zuwai, Langano, Abaya, Chamo lakes are located in Central Rift or Main Ethiopian Rift system. B is the correct answer. Question number 24. Which of the following mountain is found in Arsi Plateau? A. Mountain Tuludimtu. B. Mountain Guge. C. Mountain Kaka. D. Mountain Fantale. Mountain Kaka with 4,180 meters is found in Arsi Plateau. So C is the correct answer. Question number 25. Which physiographic division is most associated with timber and rubber tree production? A. Southwestern Highland. B. Bale Massif. C. Baro Akobo Lowland. D. Arsi Plateau. Southwestern Highlands known for timber, rubber, coffee, and honey production, while Bale is known with barley and high altitude crops. Baro Akobo is pastoralism and fishing, while Arsi is with wheat. So A is the correct answer for question number 25. Chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanalaachun sila gobanyaachuu amasagganaalla. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu.